filthy rich and their noble fucking minds. Cause they're the only assholes with any fucking time to go to the restaurants and the galleries and the museums and dine while all the bloody working class are working down the mines. They're really very self-aware and like to love all men, and wouldn't want to eat an egg that comes from a battery hen, and they support universal justice, and they think life is absurd, just like they're bred in Kafka and the other bleeding pretentious nerds. Well, me, I'd rather go to Pakenham and get my head beat in, disfigured for life by some lethal lout with a piece of tin. And when I'm sitting in my hospital bed, my face slashed down the middle, at least I won't be called artistic or any of that pill. Something underground, something any kind of color, cut your rust and